Contessa. Hi, beautiful. Yeah. Hi. Contessa. Hi, sweet girl. Yeah. Oh, you're very sweet. I know. I'm so sorry you're back here. Oh, hi, Kandi. Hi, beautiful. Ow, Kandi, you're scratching me. Your claws are in my leg. You're trying to balance, and that hurts. Oh, Contessa is so content. Content Contessa. No, Kandi. She's very new here. She might not want to be friends just yet. Hey. Oh. You want to be friends? What? Hey, see, that was okay. Good. Much friendlier than somebody. Good girl. Good girl. Hi, Kandi. Why are you giving me kisses? Ah! Don't fall. Oh my God, you're fat. You're very pointy. Please don't use my body as a climbing tree.